We started out in the greenhouse, which is actually an ideal place to shoot natural light because it was in the shadow and we had a lot of reflecting surfaces. But even though we tried to shoot with or without flash, we could easily see that the ones with flash had the same amazing natural light feeling, but they looked like they already been retouched. So that's gonna save me a lot of time in post. In the greenhouse, a softbox is perfect because since that's covered in the back, it doesn't spill as much light, which would then reflect in the glass walls and roof. The big advantage with using a flash when you shoot natural light is that you can use it to control the natural light. If you want a surrounding that is darker, you can just bring extra power to your flash. And if you want it light and airy, you adjust your flash and give the models just a little poof of light to make their eyes sparkle. After the greenhouse, we walked outside. The mansion has a really big park with the big lawns and big trees. By then, it was bright sunlight, so we used the sun as a backlight and the Elinchrom THREE as our main light. And here we also tried to shoot directly into the sun, which made a dreamy, very romantic feeling to the images. To shoot through a white umbrella, I think is a perfect and easy way if you just wanna bring some extra light into the image, which is perfect when you shoot with the sun as a backlight. After that, it started to rain a little bit, so we took the opportunity to go inside. Beside the mansion was an old barn that hasn't been used for anything for a very long time. The windows were also really small, so there were practically no natural light in here. For this, we used the Elinchrom THREE together with the softbox to create an elegant and dramatic, almost cinematic look to the images, which was perfect together with the rustic wooden walls. After that, the sun were about to set. With a low evening sunlight, the tree alley leading up to the entrance was a perfect spot for us to finish it up. We took the beautiful wedding couple and put them in the tree alley. And also here we used the sun as a backlight and used the Elinchrom THREE as a main light. Like we saw today, the weather all of a sudden turned from sunlight to cloudy, which made me have to adjust both my camera settings and the flash to be able to continue shoot and get great images. But that was so easy with the THREE. I can so easily adjust it with the app in my phone, which makes it easy when it's like put up really high and I can't reach it. And a quick workflow is often of big importance, especially on a wedding shoot. And also since it's light and compact, I could just grab it in one hand and go from one place to the next, which also saved a lot of time. I'm so happy and proud of the images that we made together. The models were amazing in kind of capturing the feeling that I wanted. And also the surroundings added to the feeling of romance and fun and laughter, which was exactly what I wanted. I think that the Elinchrom THREE is going to be a perfect work companion for me in the future.